going to be cleaning the apartment in this. A pink, straight from the rain kind of raincoat. It's light, it's waterproof, and it makes every chore feel like a walk in the drizzle. I think it'll be perfect for scrubbing, dusting, all of it. Let's see how it does.